Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. So it's been a long time since I've uploaded a video on my channel, and just days ago I posted some orange boxes on my Instagram as birthday presents from me to me, as I wrote in the caption, and some of you wanted an unboxing video of it, so here it is. Okay, so I've been wanting this bag for quite some time now, and it's always out of stock on their website, and this is one of the most highly coveted and hard to get bags of no other than, drum roll please, Louis Vuitton. Alright, yeah, so I've already removed the ribbon, the blue ribbon comes with it, which is this. So it's easier for me to unbox it. So let me just, alright. So here's the box, and we are gonna open it. Alright. So comes with the dust bag that has Louis Vuitton name on it. Right. So when you buy on their website, it always gonna come with the dust bag, the box, and this blue ribbon tag. It will also have the receipt, of course. Alright. Don't want to show that. Just gonna remind me how much I've spent for a bag, but at least I'm happy, you know. Alright, so this is it. Okay, then I'm just gonna open it. Ta-da! So this is the Louis Vuitton on-the-go bag in size. So when you flip it, it has like a different color here and different color there. I mean, this is such a lovely bag. First time I've used this was yesterday when we went out to the beach, and it is such a spacious bag, and that's why I love it, because I can put my things here as well as Jordy's things as well. So her bottles, her nappies, her wipes, some of her clothes. More like a diaper bag for her, but also works functional for me because I can put a lot here as well of my things. And so it has these two handles right there, so you can carry it just like that, or you can do that. You can't see it. All right, and it also has longer straps so that you can put it on your shoulder. Let me just show that. Like that. So the size works perfectly well for me because I'm just small. I'm like 5'1" or 5'2", so I'm very petite, and this has a bigger size as well. It comes with the this one, and then the GM, which is much more bigger. But for me, because I'm petite, I mostly buy bags that are quite small, because if I will buy big bags, it will make me just look, I know, mas maliit pa. So yan, kaya yan. So ito yung napili kong size in Para siyang Louis Vuitton Neverfull bag. Yung Louis Vuitton Neverfull bag, just gonna post a picture right here in this screen. Yes, that I bought that before. Then I used that for my travels, and then I gifted it to my mom. So I bought her the Louis Vuitton Neverfull in size as well. So para siyang, eto na yung parang Louis Vuitton Neverfull 2.0. but this is much more structured. So para siyang box na ganyan. Unlike the Never Full is wala siya masyadong shape. And same lang din sila ng inner compartment. Walang zipper. You just have this. So i-click mo lang siyang ganyan. It also has a zipper here inside the zipper compartment. Alright, yeah, so it also comes with the care card instructions. And then meron din siyang 2 pockets here inside. It is quite spacious, really. So overall, I really love this bag. And the smell of the leather is so lovely. So yeah, so this is what I bought for myself as a present. It is really expensive, but you know, just kind of splurged to something that I really want, because I've been working so hard lately, and just wanted to reward something for myself. So here it is. This is like a present for me, from me, as a Mother's Day gift na din, and a birthday present from me to me. Alright, so nakita nyo there are like 2 orange boxes na pinost ko sa Instagram. So the other one is this box right here. Yeah, so let's open her. So like I said, if you order online on their website, the normal packaging is just the same. Wala nga lang siyang Louis Vuitton orange bag carrier. So let's open her. Yes. So it also has a dust bag. And then this is also almost out of stock on their website, and also hard to get piece. So this is the 6 key card holder in fuchsia. So is in Louis Vuitton monogram leather, and then when you open it, I'm baliktad. Yeah. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 key holders right there, so you can just put your keys here, and then it has this print, and also you can use this as a card holder kasi meron siyang space here, compartment. Always comes with a text card. So yeah, I haven't used this. So yeah, this is the color that I chose, fuchsia. It comes with the gold button as well, but I prefer this because of the color of here, the interior part of the key holder. So you can put 6 keys here, and then also a card here, some of your cards. So it comes really handy, and then it will, so when you put all your keys here, it's not gonna look like it's very bulky that you won't be able to close it kasi meron siyang space. So as you can see, the hole right there, meron siyang space dito. So it's not gonna be that bulky when you put all your keys. So it's still gonna close and lock. Alright, so that's it for my unboxing video. I hope you guys liked it, and if you have any questions, just comment down below and just like this video and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any more requests, then just also comment down below. Alright, then I'll see you on my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye!